One of the best parts of raising your own backyard chickens is you can really create your own colorful and fun egg basket that you can enjoy every single morning, baking, cooking, and really just have some really creative colors that are outside of the normal white and brown eggs that you would purchase at the grocery store, like some of these greener tones or even just different forms of brown. And today we're going to be talking about our top 5 favorite chicken breeds in order to get your own colorful eggs. And there's a few things that we're going to break down in regards to why these are our favorite. A lot of them are going to be the temperament of the chicken, because you want to make sure that you have a chicken that's going to jive with the personality of your flock or the backyard flock that you have always dreamed of, as well as the specific color of the egg that you're gonna get from these chickens. The first breed that we're gonna talk about today is the Americana. So this is a really common bird, and what makes them a really great bird in order to add a colorful egg to your backyard flock is they're very docile, nice, kind bird. They have beautiful feather patterns, so they're going to be a really fun and interesting bird to add to your backyard, and they're going to lay a really nice bluish green toned egg similar to this one right here. So you're going to have a nice pop of color in your egg basket or in your egg carton, and something like this is definitely going to make your eggs sell faster if you do sell your own eggs as well. We do have an Americana in our backyard, and we're big fans of these birds. They've had a really great production of eggs. They're known for a good production of eggs, and they're overall a very friendly bird, so they're going to integrate really well into any flock that you might already have pre-existing, or if you're making your own, they'll probably welcome a lot of new birds into it as well. So definitely highly suggest this bird. Here at our homestead, we do allow our chickens to free range, and if you are looking for more of a self-sufficient foraging type bird for your flock, then the Welsumers is going to be a great breed for you. The Welsumers is going to create a nice rich brown egg with speckles across it, so it's going to add a nice dark brown color to your egg basket. So not necessarily a bright or crazy egg color, but definitely a fun one. And you're going to find that they're easy to care for because they are so independent, and they're going to be great for a free ranging flock. Our third and probably the most popular breed of birds that I'm going to talk about today, and we have a few in our flock, is actually the Easter egger. Now, it is no coincidence that they are called the Easter egger. They are a crossbreed, and they're going to create some really fun and funky colors. Our Easter eggers are going to do different shades of blue, green, but they also can produce eggs that are pink, purple, really fun colors that you don't necessarily usually see when you're getting your breeds of chicken. So really funky, fun. They're known to be really easy to care for, friendly birds. We have a lot of friendly birds in our flock. It's definitely one of my favorite parts of our flock because you'll open up the gates in order to go let them out in the morning, and they always come running to you. Honestly, sometimes they're just so friendly. We have some wandering foragers they've been known to jump into people's cars, walk into our house. They're just so friendly and nice, and really fun personalities that you can add to your backyard. So the Easter egger is going to have a similar fun personality. So if you're used to that or you want to add that to your homestead, I definitely suggest adding some Easter eggers to your flock, and trust me, you will not regret it. Now, one thing to note is usually the color that they lay when you first get them is the color that they're going to continue laying. So definitely look into what color they're bred for, or if they're of an adult age, what color egg they're already laying, just in case you do want that pink or purple shade. You're not always going to get it. A lot of ours are green eggs, green, blue eggs that we will find within our nesting boxes every morning. Our fourth top colorful breed to add to your homestead is going to be the Marans. We do not have any at our homestead, but I know that they're really known for being gentle, kind birds, super friendly, really easy to take care of, and a very productive bird in regards to egg production. They're going to produce a nice dark chocolatey brown egg color, which is a really fun color to have in your egg basket. I know right now we have a lot of different shades of browns, we have lighter ones, but we don't have a distinctive dark brown. So I'm really excited to one day add a Marin to our flock so that we can get some fun darker brown shades along with some of the other brown shades that we do have. Before we get into our fifth and final breed for today, I do want to quickly talk about a myth that I think modern day supermarkets pose onto consumers, and that is the fact that the color of the egg is due to the type of feed. So a white egg is always going to be a non-organic chicken and a brown egg is going to be organic. I think it paints a nice picture for commercial supermarkets, but it is definitely very far from the truth. Regardless of the egg color that you can have an organic or non-organic chicken, although it really is going to play back to the breed, which is what we're talking about today. So you probably already know this, but I think it's really important to still make sure that you're feeding your chickens the best diet that you can. We exclusively feed Nature Serve here at our homestead, from the crumble that we give them as chicks, as well as the nice adult pellets for higher egg production. It has essential oils in it and it's really yummy. The chickens always come running when we pour it out for them, and it's something that we love to feed our chickens. But now back to the final breed, and that is going to be the olive egger. The olive egger is named this because literally their eggs are an olive color. They're a nice friendly bird, a great addition to any flock. We currently do not have one at our homestead, but it is definitely our goal to add one this year, and we're excited to watch the olive egger grow. I've definitely seen them grow in population, and you're usually going to find this breed as well as a lot of the other breeds that we talked about at your own mills, Tractor Supplies, any type of feed stores where they are selling chicks. So I definitely suggest that you go out there, you check out your chicken days, and you get some of these beautiful birds that are laying some beautiful eggs. Just think about which one's best for your homestead, what colors you want to add to your basket, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!